Lang, kasi di ba, as a fangirl ng mga Korean stars, can you make kwento lang working with Ji Chang-wook sa kumusta? Any memorable encounter with him?
You know, that whole trip, that whole shoot was really memorable for me because naging wallpaper kasi ko pa. Bihira po mag-wallpaper ng tao eh. Usually, if it's not Jesus or the Sacred Family, I always just keep it like that, or anime character. So, pag naging wallpaper ko, ibig sabihin mahal na mahal ko kasi kumbaga inspirasyon ko yun. And that started when I saw him before sa K2, tsaka sa Healer. Kasi matagal na niya akong fan. Ang galing ko talaga mag-manifest, mother. Sobra. Kaya nga minmanifest ko talaga, Jungkook. Talagang love ko siya, as in, napanos na sa harapan ko. Nung first time kasi nag-meet na po kami before with Tito Manny Pacquiao, kaya Tita Jinky. So nagpa-sign na ako. Tapos nung nagkita ulit kami for kumusta, pinakita ko sa kanya yung picture. Sabi ko, Opa, I met you before, ganyan. Oo, kuya ma, Jinky, ganon. Tapos, syempre everyday ko siya nakikita. Alam mo, ko, kinakami ko yung sarili ko, act professional. You have to act professional. Hindi ka fan. Kasama mo lang siya, katrabaho mo lang siya. Siyempre, kaya nandun ako, he's an inspiration for me because he's so humble. And siyempre para sa akin, superstar siya in my head. Alam kong, I really look up to him when it comes to acting. Pag napapanood ko siya talaga, napapamura ako sa galing niya. Have you seen po his latest, the Manipulated? Oh my gosh, he's so good. And when I saw him, siyempre hindi ko na talaga napigilan mag-fangirl. Opa, I saw your show, Manipulated. I finished it 2 days. Ang galing talaga niya. So, for me to be able to work with him, sobrang inspiring. And you know, right now, gusto kong ma-achieve yung ganong klaseng kumbaga kahambulan. Sobrang humble. Hindi ako maka-get over sa bait niyang tao. Tapos, hindi niya kami ini-snub ha. Hanggang ngayon, kunwari, i-message ko siya, sorry, nawala yung pagka-professional. Ang gwapo kasi. Sabi ko, ganyan ka-gwapo ka, trabaho mo. Everyday, tapos tawa na siya ng tawa. Kadiri. Ay, sus ko, tapos birthday pa niya. Sobrang bait. Hindi niya kami ini-snub. Finalo pa niya kaming lahat sa Instagram. So, it's a really memorable show for me. And to think hindi pa po dapat ako kasama dun. Kasi may cast na talaga po yun eh. Nung in-interview nila ako, one day na lang lilipad na ng Korea sila. So in-interview nila ako, is it okay you're gonna be the guest? Of course! Sabi ko, this is such a, my dream. Sabi ko, are you sure Ji Chang-wook is gonna be there? Yes. Hala, pagdating na niya, ayun na po, I've lost it. Parang sabi ko, Lord, give me strength to be a professional. So yun po, I really enjoy, especially nung, I don't know if you've seen it, but there was this episode po na we're gonna make lechon. And ako lang naman ang tumuhog dun sa lechon. Napakahirap ka, sabi ko nga physical 100 ata itong sinalihan ko. Kasi si chef nakakatawa, binibidyohan ako habang tinutuhog ko yung baboy. Siyempre, pinagdasal ko po yung soul ng pork kasi kakainin. Baliw na yun. Pero sobrang po talaga na-enjoy. Kaya, I'm looking forward for season 2. I really hope and pray. Let's go for season 2.
If ever magkaroon, sino namang gusto mo sanang maisama na Korean star?
Oppa pa din. Ji Chang-wook pa din. Yeah.
At kung may idadagdag, sino?
Woo Do-hwan is a really good actor also. But kasi na-appreciate ko sila as an actor. I really appreciate their dedication. Like, wow, physically, mentally, that's hard for an artista. And I want to achieve that level of professionalism. That's so hard. Kaya if ever, I know BTS is busy, I would love to consider, diba? One of them being there. Jin loves to cook. Si Jin ang magaling magluto, tsaka si JK. So, kung mangangarap na rin lang ako, magmamanifest na rin ako sa universe, sige na, itotodo ko na, JK and Jin. Let's go! Itotodo ko na. Diba?
Makakapagtuhog ka pa kaya ng lechon?
Ay, nako. kakayanin ko talaga. Talaga, ito talaga, sasaniban ako ng ano talaga, professionalism that time. Baka, wow. Oo nga eh. Nabigyan nga ang autograph ni Jungkook eh. Tontuwa na ako nga, makasama pa sa ano, cooking show. Pero yung manifest talaga. Universe, give it to me. Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay, speaking of kumusta, kinumusta kita, ayan. Isa sa mga naging projects ni RC the past days, no? Yung kumusta, yung fusion niya sa Korea. So how was it, RC?
I'm just really grateful sa pagtanggap po ng mga tao sa Kamusta. And well, we shot it last year of October in Korea. I saw MJ there. It was such an amazing experience. And I had fun doing all these things in the kitchen, having a restaurant. That's really my dream. Though I have a yakiniku restaurant, Yoshimitsu. It's in Green Hills, but really I love to cook. The kitchen is my happy place. And syempre makasama ko pa yung mga special na tao there in a special country, in my special place. So yeah, it's just really unforgettable. And we've already created a bond, so like Ate Jody, sila Oppa, sila Ji Chang-wook, we still keep in touch. Every now and then, we say, you know, we make kamusta sa isa't isa. Though I know Oppa is a really, really, really busy man. And I was just there in Korea last week. And it was his birthday, but I also celebrated another friend's birthday there. So yun, I know, I appreciate every time he responds kasi nga, nahiya nga ako sometimes. I think, oo nga naman, baka naman, hindi ako masyado naging consider because I know he's really busy. But yeah, the reception of the people, I really love because they keep tagging me, especially with that one scene na hinampas ka sa ulo si Chef JP.
Nakakatuwa yun.
May lamok kasi, may lamok talaga yun guys sa pag-zinom niya yun.
Kita naman siya.
Nakita ba?
Oo.
Kasi sabi ng ate ko wala daw. Sabi ko may lamok nga.
May
Sabi
mga
ko,
nag-grills kasi noon na naka-zoom. So, may
oo.
lumipad.
Hindi rin siya makakalipad kasi malagkit na yung ulo ni Chef. Kasi nga, syempre, buong araw na kami nasa kusina, nagluluto, di ba? So,
Yeah.
I'm so grateful with the reception of the people, not only here in the Philippines, but it's like across Asia. So, everybody's tagging me now. I have like followers probably somewhere in Thailand. So, yun, it's because of the lamok. I should thank the lamok.
So, palakpakan natin ang lamok.
Salamat sa lamok and syempre sa pagiging cool and chill nila Chef JP.
Yes. Tsaka yung situation ay parang nag-emote-emote pa si ano.
Oo,
eh.
di ba? Yan, nag-emote si
si
Janela. Tapos nasira ako, di ba? Parang pagdating ko dun kasi, in my head, this is really what I want to do in life. Na parang I'm just gonna enjoy it. Imagine, I wake up every single day and I'm in Korea and then doing the thing that I love most, cooking. Parang sa akin, I cherish every single day na nandun ako. And ayun, pinagluto ko silang kimchi gang. Kasi talagang ginagawa ko talaga yun in the house. So yun, very, very unforgettable experience. So,
Yes.
abangan nyo na lang kung may season 2. Sabi ni Ate Lynn. Ate Lynn,
Still
season 2
available
daw.
Still available on View?
Yes,
Tama ba?
available on
Pwede
View.
pa rin ako
So, for those of you who was not able to catch it on TV5, it's still on View.
Ayan.